Hi, it's Imogen Lamport from Inside Out Style. Wouldn't it be wonderful to step out of your house every day feeling confident and radiant in an outfit that perfectly reflects your unique style? How often do you find yourself standing in front of your wardrobe feeling utterly perplexed about what to wear? Are you tired of resorting to clothes from the laundry basket, as you've got a wardrobe full of clothes but have no idea how to put them together in outfits? Or perhaps you've experienced the frustration of trying on discarding countless outfits only to be left unsatisfied with your choice for the day. If any of these scenarios sound familiar, you are not alone. So many women struggle with the belief that style is something innate, a mysterious talent they just don't possess. But here's the truth. Style is something that you can learn, and that's where my Outfit Masterclass and Integration Week Challenge come in. For 5 days, I'll be teaching you additional styling skills on top of the already jam-packed information in my Outfit Masterclass video. Plus, I'll be with you on Zoom for an additional 4 days, answering your outfit questions and supporting you in our Facebook community, where you can get guidance, feedback and support on your outfits, because I want to teach you how to create stylish outfits that work for you and your lifestyle. So grab your copy of my on-demand Outfit Masterclass video and you can join in the Integration Week Challenge free and discover the power of education, guidance and community support. Check out the link below or in my bio for more details to sign up, because I can't wait to be your style guide.